Most people have never seen what happens behind these factory walls. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how baby formula is made.
What does it take to make the baby formula trusted by millions of families every day?
Today, we're going inside one of the world's most advanced baby formula factories.
What happens if even one ingredient is slightly off? How do factories keep baby formula sterile and safe? Stay with us as we uncover the entire process.
Every can goes through strict safety and quality controls.
We ensure the highest quality through every step, from nutrient blending and rigorous testing to high-speed, sterile filling and packaging. Inspection complete. Everything looks good. Confirmed. Let's start the unloading.
The heat exchanger stabilized right at 75. Perfect, all parameters are within the acceptable range.
Every ingredient must be measured with exceptional precision. The next stage is where liquid formula is transformed into a fine powder. This massive machine is one of the most expensive pieces of equipment.
The liquid formula has now become the powder found inside every can.
Everything is running smoothly on line 2. See the stabilization here.
Confirmed. We are clear for the next batch.
Look at this. The stability data is very promising. It seems we have a successful batch here. Every batch is tested before entering production.
seeing the same levels on the B12 analysis?
Yes, the peak confirms it matches the control standard. The consistency looks good. Data matches the control group. Batch approved. This white powder may look simple, but making baby formula is carefully manufacturing processes through dozens of safety tests.
We're almost at the final packaging stage, but before these cans can leave the factory, they must pass one last series of inspections that reject even the smallest defect. double check the batch label on that pallet? The numbers look slightly off.
Got it.
After passing dozens of safety checks, the baby formula is finally ready to be shipped to stores and families around the world.
Watch your clearance on the right. Looks good, bring it all the way in.
Backed by science, delivered with care. The new standard in infant nutrition.
From carefully tested ingredients to finished nutrition, this is how baby formula is made. Subscribe for more amazing.
From carefully selected ingredients and laboratory testing to high-speed packaging and worldwide distribution, every can of baby formula